Weekly logs overview. Organizations delivering work across multiple clients operate in fragmented environments. Teams log time inside client systems like Jira for billable work, while non-billable client effort and internal activities are tracked separately or not at all. That leaves teams without a clear, dependable view of where time is really going. DevStride solves this through a flexible multi-organization architecture. Organizations can run multiple containers, one for billable work, one for non-billable, one for internal, bringing all time data into a single normalized data set, accessible across roles, without complex custom solutions layered on top of existing tools. Weekly Logs builds on this by giving each user a unified weekly view across all organizations. So hours reconcile across client, non-billable, and internal work in one place. Managers get consistent, reviewable data without chasing inputs. When time isn't fully captured, the damage builds quietly. Billing loses defensibility, and managers spend hours chasing timesheet updates instead of leading delivery. Weekly Logs exists because time tracking should not require a separate workflow. In tools like Jira, Trello, Asana, and Monday.com, time tracking is either task-level only, limited in reporting, or requires third-party plugins just to get a usable view. Users end up navigating into each task individually, slow, repetitive, and with no complete weekly picture. Weekly Logs is built directly inside DevStride. It sits alongside your work streams, your tasks, and your team. So logging time becomes part of the natural flow of work, not something you schedule at the end of the day. The plugin centers on a weekly grid. Tasks come directly from all your project work streams, with no manual entry or copy-pasting. Work assigned to you or appearing on your calendar is surfaced automatically, so you're not staring at a blank sheet every Monday. Try to remember where the week went. Add the right items, enter time by day, and see totals update instantly. The business impact. Weekly Logs offers benefits that extend beyond timesheets. 1. Billing you can defend. Every hour is attached to a real task with a real item number, not a free text description or a best guess category. When a client questions an invoice, you have a clear, traceable record to point to. 2. Visibility without asking. Managers can see the team's week without sending a single follow-up. No more chasing timesheets. No more waiting to find out what actually got done. 3. Less administrative overhead. The time spent piecing together timesheets, correcting entries, and consolidating data from different sources adds no value. Weekly Logs reduces that friction by capturing time at the point of work. With integrations like Microsoft Teams, time spent across calls and meetings can be added directly into Weekly Logs. So non-task work is captured alongside project activity. Everything saves in the background, keeping time accurate without feeling like one more task to finish later. Weekly Logs brings all your time into one unified weekly view. So hours are captured as work happens, not reconstructed later. Stronger billing defensibility, more reliable reporting, and clearer visibility for managers, without the constant follow-up. If fragmented time tracking is a challenge your organization faces today, Weekly Logs is a practical next step toward complete data, better oversight, and more confident decisions. See Weekly Logs in action. Explore our feature and functionality demos to see how it works for your team.